Feed water adapter. A feed water adapter connects the cold water supply valve and the kitchen faucet. It is used to supply water to reverse osmosis filtration systems, automatic coffee brewers, ice makers, and more. The feed water adapter fits common 1/2 inch and 3/8 inch connectors. If you have a different size fitting, you will need a converter. Step 1. Turn off the cold water supply valve under the sink and turn on the faucet to drain out any air and water remaining in the connector pipe. Step 2. Unscrew the faucet connector pipe. Be prepared to catch any excess water from the pipe with a towel. Step 3. Install the feed water adapter to the cold water supply valve and tighten it with a wrench. Please make sure the O-ring is seated correctly inside the adapter to prevent leaks. Step 4. Reinstall the faucet connector pipe to the feed water adapter and tighten it with a wrench. Make sure the faucet connector has an O-ring in it. If not, apply plumber's tape to the connector to prevent leaks. Step 5. Turn the feed water valve to the off position. Insert the tubing 1/2 inch deep into the quick connect fitting, then insert a locking clip to lock the tubing in place. Step 6. Measure and cut the tubing. Once your application is connected and ready for use, turn on the cold water supply valve and feed water valve. Check and make sure there are no leaks from connectors.